John Marino. I'm a co-founder of Investx. We developed a high-yield investment fund so everyone can enjoy high-yield returns the same way that the super wealthy do and large banks and investment funds do. To jump right into it, what if you earn up to 40% annually with minimal risk? We allow you to do this with no effort on your part, and you're about to discover a way to invest that's so powerful that the big banks, investment firms, and super wealthy have been doing this for years after year with minimal risk. But first, let me tell you a little about ourselves. Vincent and I, we've been on ABC, NBC, CBS, and Fox. We also co-authored a book with Stephen Forbes in New York City, Times Square. We've been trading for well over 10 years collectively, and we built a technology about the last 8 years ago that actually was what got aired on ABC, NBC, CBS, and Fox. And also we did a keynote speech about our technology and how our software works. We revolutionized the way that regular people like you and I invest. We lost a lot of money back in the day, and what we had to do was gain it all back in a faster means in 2008 when the market crashed. So what we did was we put investments into our own hands, and we figured out an easier way to actually generate higher returns to make back those losses as safe as possible. And thus Investx was born over the course of the years. We used to lease out our technologies, but now we don't. Now what we do is just run a large investment club that allows regular people like you to jump inside of our fund and enjoy these high returns with no effort on your part. We actually do all the trade management for you, so you just sit back, relax, and enjoy the profits. But why do you want to join our club? It's very low risk. What we do, we consider it very low risk. Requires no work on your part at all. Like I said, we do all of it. It allows you to build wealth for yourself and your family, because your family can also join this fund too as well. Also, you get full access to your funds at any time. No time restrictions and no penalties. If you've ever had regular investments before, like 401ks, etc., you'll know that they charge hefty fees when you're trying to get your money out. It could be 30%, could be up to 40% from what I hear of. There's no withdrawal fees at any time. All the accounts are non-pooled, so when you put your money into the fund, your money is your own. It's like a personal high-yield savings account for yourself is what we like to compare it to, because you have full access to that account at any time you want. You don't have to call us up to withdraw money or anything else. You just do it on your own. If you want to deposit more, you can deposit more anytime you'd like to as well. You also get daily and monthly statements sent to you directly from the broker every single day, so you constantly know what your account is doing. We also have a web link that we send you when you sign up that we connected to a third-party verification service that actually allows you to have an app on your phone, and you can just click on that app button anytime you want. You can see your account in real time any single time that you want to as well. So you're in full control of your account, and you always know what your account is doing at all time, and that's the most important thing when it comes to investment, is feeling secure on what you're actually investing in. And we allow you to do all that, and there's no restrictions on how much you can deposit, how much you want to withdraw to your account at any time. So you have complete access at all time. Pretty much you make money while you sleep. The super wealthy and the rich make money while they sleep. That's what separates short-term thinking from long-term thinking. Short-term thinkers, they want to know what their investments are going to be worth tomorrow or at the end of the month. Longer-term thinkers are looking at 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, etc. down the road, when their money can compound, which essentially just rolls over their interest every single month, or in our case, it's every single month, to really grow their account at an accelerated rate. And that's how you build wealth quickly. And our technology, with us managing it, actually does that, so you just enjoy all those profits every single day. You don't do anything, we do, and this is actually how the large investment firms, this is the way they trade. This is how the super wealthy make money every single day, and this is how you will do the same thing that they will. Most funds, or larger hedge funds even, or even investment funds, can charge you, they can require $100,000 deposit for you to get into their fund, or $50,000, or even $250,000. We've actually seen over $1 million that you need to join some super high yield investment funds. With ours, you can literally get started with $1,000. You can put $1,000 inside the investment fund, our club, and instantly you start making money on your money, and you're making a high return, 36, 48% annually, depending on the years, and you're enjoying these high rates, the same type of annual percentage rate that they're getting. You're enjoying these same returns that they get, but at a fraction of the money that you actually have to put inside of it. So it allows everybody to be part of our fund, part of our club, I should say. So why us? The compensation is very easy. As I already gave you all the benefits of it, but on top of that, we charge a low annual fee to manage your account. We always have risk at the core of what we do. We do our best to protect your capital at all times. Proven track record. We've been doing this for over 6 years. We've actually, in the course of 6 years, on one of the other accounts, we did 344% on that account. So it's about 42% or so annually that we've actually been making over the past 8 years. Comprehensive reporting. You get full reports all the time of what's going on, so you always know what your account is doing, and you have access to your funds at all time. We have an integrated team that's always overseeing your account. We oversee everyone's account 24/5 to ensure that the account is always earning the highest amount of money with the most minimal risk. And and you can see online over here that our team employs investment managers, mathematicians, algorithmic code writers, and most importantly, it's us behind it that's actually powering it. We want to see everybody make these high returns and not just the super wealthy. So we brought this to everybody. I know you all want to see a proven, with a proven track record. What did this thing actually do? What did we actually earn? This is a screenshot of the statements that we actually, some clients that allowed us to let us use, and you'll see the rate of return when these accounts started on the dates that they started, and you'll see their gains, what they're averaging daily, what they're averaging monthly, their balances, the profit that they made in their account, the deposits that they made, the withdrawals that they made. We're a fully transparent company. We don't hide anything. I'm actually going to log into a couple of those right now so I can show you live, just so you don't think that this is, fake. I'll actually show you directly right now. This is that screen that you're looking at right over here from some of the accounts. And if I log into Tony, for instance, you'll see Tony had a 187% gain on his account. This is where he started. He actually started, like I said, in August of 2017, and now he's still currently running. And now, as of yesterday, February 7th, he had a 208% total gain, which is actually about 187 after withdrawals that were made on this account. So you'll see a little dip. That was actually withdrawals that were made on the account, and it was a steady growth from that point. This is very powerful. You'll see that his balance is $5,421, and his total deposits were $2,084. He already took $573 out in withdrawals, and this is where his balance is right now at $5,421. He's averaging 6% monthly. This is very, very, very powerful way of trading. You'll see Ryan. Ryan's a newer client that just signed up recently. He started in September of 2018, were his first trade, and this is his growth all the way up. Ryan's enjoying right now over 20% gains on his account right now. He deposited a total of $13,000, which grew $260, and he's at $15,764. And you'll see his daily and his monthly average is almost 4% a month. We tell people about 36 to 40% annually that you can return. A lot of times we're actually over. Right now we're under promising and over delivering. We're actually doing a little bit better than that. We're averaging probably about 42 to 44% annually. However, to keep it conservative, this is what we like to do, and we expect to keep doing this. So we don't plan on going anywhere for a while. This is what we plan on doing. This is the month breakdown of Ryan's account. As you can see over here, this is what he made per month on these, and Tony's, you can see what he's averaged on these months too, all last year, 2017. This was a withdrawal month when he took a lot of money out, so if you see a negative, that's just a withdrawal. This is the third-party service that doesn't count withdrawals as actually profit. They just count it as a loss, but this was actually a gain that month that he withdrew his money. And then 2018, this is what he made every single month. In 2019, this is where we are right now. Like I said, we're fully transparent, and I'll be happy to show you, anything you want to see more statements, please by all means let us know, and we'll be happy to show you anything you want to make you feel as comfortable as possible. But these are the accounts, and this is what these users have made already by joining our club. And we're looking forward to having you in it too as well, so you can be another testimonial to how good it was to be inside of a club. Like I said, this program isn't for everyone. However, if you do have at least $1,000 to invest and you want to make a high yield investment account, then by all means, please come sign up, and we definitely want you to do that. I can give you an example of how much you can actually earn. This is our investment club. Our average annual returns right now is about 40%, and this is an annual contribution of putting about 20% from your initial deposit back inside on a monthly basis, because everyone's going to add to an account that's actually making more money. So if you're looking at that, you're adding $33 per month to this account. So if you see the numbers, traditional investing, just to go a little bit over traditional investing, best traditional investing is going to give you about 3% annually. Some people in higher annuities that had more money can get about 6% or even say 8% in some cases, but the returns simply do not match anywhere near what we can earn at 40% on average that we're actually doing. We require you to deposit $2,000 or less, even $1,000 you can get started. This is just some sample deposits so you can kind of see what you can make. 2,000, 4,000, 8,000, 16, and 32. Compared to what traditional investing year after year, you can really compare the pricing. And like we always say, long-term thinking, in 3 years, look what you got. In 6 years, and in 10 years, you can see how much money that you actually have. Your accounts can grow. This is how the wealthy grow their accounts into millions. I mean, really, this is how people make a lot of money. You have to just compound your wealth. This is them not withdrawing money. This is them just depositing more money to add to their investments every single year. Some people don't have 20% that they can add annually to their year, so they might add 10%. And you can see how that affects the numbers, but makes it a little bit less at the end of the 10 years. Some people have more, they add 30% though. So you can really see how the numbers can jump up and down, but the most important thing to do is get started. I mean, you want to just get started somewhere, and you want to start putting money into something that's actually going to make you money to secure your financial future. Well, let us help you power that financial future by joining our club. If you have any other questions, by all means speak to a rep. We'd like to go over everything with you and explain all this thoroughly. We'll explain the pricing on how you can get started with the low, annual fee, and we'd be more than happy to, show you everything and get you signed up and join in the club and start earning those high returns. So please give us a call or send us a message, and we look forward to it, and we look forward to hearing you soon. Thank you very much, and have a great day.